Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset Spectrum router. Need to reset your Spectrum router? Here's a quick guide. If you're using a Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 or 6E router, simply press and hold the reset button at the back for 4 to 14 seconds. Your router will reboot without losing its settings. For Wi-Fi 5, models like the Spectrum Wave 2 or RAC series, first switch it off using the power button, unplug it for about a minute, then plug it back in and restart. If issue persists, you may need full factory reset. Locate the reset button, often inside a small hole marked reset, and use a tool like a toothpick to press and hold for about 30 seconds. The router lights will turn off, then back on as it restores default settings. Allow a few minutes, sometimes up to 30, for your internet to fully reconnect. Once the light stabilizes, you're good to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.